Fruits are a powerhouse of nutrients. I think we all know that. The red and the yellow colored fruits are rich in beta carotene or vitamin A. Then the fruits are, because of the sourness, they are rich in vitamin C. And fruits are naturally present in certain minerals like magnesium, potassium, manganese. And of course, the colored pigment which is present in the fruits are the phytochemicals. They help us to fight the oxidants and they act as antioxidants. So fruits are definitely a powerhouse of nutrients. Fruits can be categorized into two forms: the ones which are fibrous fruits like the apple, guava, pear; the juicy fruits like the watermelon, muskmelon type of fruits; and the fruits which are pulpy like you have the banana, the mango, the chiku. Now pineapple is a slightly sweetish fruit, and I'll talk about it a bit later. Fiber is also one of the very important components which is present in the fruits, which definitely gives us an added value to consuming the whole fruit as against consuming the fruit juice. So when you're consuming a whole fruit, what happens is, because the fiber present in the fruit which is insoluble, it increases the transit time of the food in the gut, because of which the digestion and the absorptions of nutrients is much better. But this does not happen when you're consuming the fruit juice and the fiber is not present at all. And because of the virtue of the fructose or the sucrose present in the fruits, the blood sugar rises immediately. That is why it is always a good idea to consume a whole fruit as compared to a fruit juice. Now every fruit has a different glycemic index, and we should be really concerned about this glycemic index, because as far as shooting up of the blood sugar is concerned, the glycemic index of the food is very, very important. So the fibrous fruits which I was talking about are a little lesser sweet than the other pulpy fruits, and because of this they have higher amount of fiber present in it. They are less sweet, and that is why it is always safest to have this in more quantity as compared to the pulpy fruits that you're consuming, especially when you're trying to lose weight. But of course, you should be also consuming the fruits like banana and mango, because first of all, mango is rich in vitamin A, and that is the best source of vitamin A in the vegetarian form. So you should be consuming the pulpy fruits, and you should also be consuming the fibrous fruits. But there should be a time when you will consume these fruits, and they should not be used as a meal replacement. I'll tell you why. If you try to replace your dinner with fruits, automatically what happens is you're only having carbs at that point in time. When you're having carbs over there, you're not having any protein or any fat, so that the glycemic index goes down. Automatically, the blood sugar spikes up really high. Now, because the fruit is having fiber, at that point you will feel full with eating a good plate of fruit. But after some time, you will realize that you're feeling hungry again, because because the satiety value is much lesser. So if you have a fat combined with a fruit, it is a better idea. So even if you want to replace your meals with a fruit, try to have a combination of a protein and a fruit together. Like you could have a combination of all fruits put together, and you could have probably a fistful of nuts to have with that. That is a great combination. Best idea would be to consume, ideally you should be consuming at least 2 servings of fruits to 3 servings of fruits in the day. Best time is to consume when you get up in the morning, because that is the best absorption of nutrients at that point in time. Otherwise, you can consume fruits as a mid-meal snack, when you're really wanting to binge into something, and in that point in time, fruits really work well. But don't try to replace your main meals with fruits. That is going to increase the glycemic index of the food. That is going to increase the level of fat storage in your body, and that's not a great idea when you want to lose weight. So try to choose fruits wisely. Of course, they are very much required in your diet, so don't replace them or don't remove them out completely. Consume a whole fruit as compared to a fruit juice. Hope this video is helpful. Please stay tuned to the next video that is going to come up. Bye bye.